Welcome to Health and Safety Participation. This presentation is meant to highlight some of the things that you will find in the Health and Safety Participation Policy. This policy establishes a consistent approach to promoting and supporting worker participation in Habitat for Humanity Hamilton's health and safety policies. Active engagement from all workplace parties enhances safety outcomes and reinforces Ontario's internal responsibility system, which assigns shared responsibility for health and safety among employers, supervisors, and workers as outlined in the Occupational Health and Safety Act. A new definition in this policy is participation, the active involvement of workers in health and safety matters, including providing input, sharing concerns, and contributing to our continuous improvement efforts beyond simply observing or complying. Senior leadership roles and responsibilities in the health and safety participation policy include establish and maintain the health and safety policies and associated participation programs, allocate resources and support mechanisms that encourage worker involvement, and ensure compliance with applicable health and safety legislation. Supervisors' roles and responsibilities include ensuring that workers follow safety policies and procedures and use protective equipment properly, communicate potential and existing hazards clearly, actively seek and respond to worker input on safety matters, and foster a workplace culture where open dialogue on safety is encouraged. Frontline staff roles and responsibilities in the health and safety participation policy include work in compliance with the OSHA and internal safety policies, use PPE and equipment safely and properly, report hazards, injuries, or unsafe conditions to their supervisors, and engage in discussions, suggest improvements, and participate in inspections or meetings when appropriate. The Joint Health and Safety Committee roles and responsibilities include identify hazards and recommend safety improvements, facilitate workplace inspections and investigations, promote worker engagement in safety activities, and advise management on enhancing participation practices. Contractors, teachers, students, volunteers, and visitors' roles and responsibilities in the health and safety participation policy include follow all applicable site-specific health and safety rules, wear required PPE and adhere to staff instructions, report any hazards or safety concerns observed while on site. To encourage meaningful participation in the health and safety program, senior management will implement the following strategies. Direct worker consultation. They'll conduct formal and informal discussions with workers to gather feedback. Responses are documented and addressed appropriately. Project teams and working groups. Going to include workers in evaluating new equipment, processes, or procedures to support informed implementation and training. Surveys and questionnaires. We're going to use anonymous tools to assess working conditions, gather safety insights, and track improvement areas. Peer observations. We're going to encourage non-punitive observations of work practices to promote continuous learning and reinforce safe behaviors. Internal feedback systems, where we're going to provide digital and written platforms for submitting safety suggestions or concerns. Responses may be provided individually or shared with the broader team when applicable. Shared development and improvement. Going to involve workers in their representatives and reviewing and refining HSMS policies, procedures, and practices. Cross-functional approach. Encourage collaboration across departments and roles to improve hazard identification and risk management strategies. Records must be maintained to demonstrate active worker participation in health and safety, including safety meeting minutes, survey results, feedback submissions, JHSC recommendations, and records of inspection and corrective actions. You have now completed watching the presentation on Health and Safety Participation Policy. Please go ahead and read the policy, and then you'll be ready to complete the 5-question quiz. Thank you very much.